Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can set 100 mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First go to the settings of your phone here, then go to advanced features, then here select 100 mode. Just turn on this button 100 mode and it will be activated. There will be two methods of 100 mode. Just click over 100 mode and you will see if one method is gesture, another method is button. Gesture means swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. What is bottom edge? This is bottom edge, and swipe down here. Okay, see what will happen. Yes, this is right under mode. See here, I again show. To activate 100 mode using gesture, swipe down here. Not visible. Again I showing. See here, this is right hander mode. For left hander mode, just use this arrow mark and it will shift to the left hander mode, and using left hand only you can go to the entire functionality of your phone. Okay, this is right hander mode. If you click on the empty space, it will go to the normal mode. Again I show. If you again do it like this, and it will go to the normal mode. This is 100 mode, this is normal mode. Okay, and other method of activating 100 mode is using button. You have to double tap on the home screen. Okay, here you have to double tap on the home button. Yes, 100 mode is active. For left hander mode, just press on the arrow and it will shift back to left handed. So in this way you can easily activate 100 mode using either gesture or button. Okay, if you want to turn off 100 mode, just turn off this button completely and 100 mode will not be activated. So in this way you can easily set 100 mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.